The role of 3D printing in modern dentistry, revolutionizing treatment. Recently, 3D printing has been an industry-changing technology in many fields, which includes dental care. The revolutionary technology has transformed how dental procedures are carried out, making the process less costly, efficient, and accurate. In this short video, we'll explore the significance and the use of 3D printing in the modern world of dental practices and the ways it is changing the ways patients get dental treatment. 1. To 3D printing in dentistry. 3D printing, also referred to by the name additive manufacturing, is a method which creates 3D objects through the layering of materials over one another. For dental work, 3D printing is used to design dental prosthetics, dental guides, and orthodontic devices with unbeatable accuracy. The technology lets dentists create and manufacture custom-designed appliances that are tailored to the individual patient's specific dental anatomy. 2. Customized dental prosthetics. One of the biggest benefits that comes with 3D printing for dentistry is its ability to design custom dental prosthetics. Traditionally, dental crowns, bridges, and dentures were made by a lab by hand that often led to errors and inconsistent results. Dental professionals are now able to take digital images of the mouth of patients and create prosthetics that are perfectly sized, which ensures the best comfort and function. 3. Surgical guides for precision. Another important application for 3D printing for dentistry involves the development of dental surgical guides that can be used to place implants. They are utilized to precisely insert implants into the jawbone to ensure optimal aligning and stabilization. With the help of 3D printing technology, dentists are able to plan their implant procedure in advance, which reduces the chance of complications as well as improving results. The use of surgical guides can also reduce the requirement for surgical procedures that are invasive, which results in faster healing and lesser discomfort for patients. 4. Orthodontic appliances. 3D printing also has revolutionized orthodontics in a way through the creation of braces and aligners that are custom designed. In contrast to traditional orthodontic procedures that required heavy and uncomfortable brackets made of metal, the 3D printed aligners are almost inaccessible and are quickly removed to eat and brushing. The technology lets patients get straighter teeth and better dental health without the stigma that comes with traditional braces. 5. Benefits of 3D printing in dentistry. There are many benefits to printing with 3D printing for dental work. For example, increased accuracy. 3D printing technology guarantees exact and reliable outcomes while reducing the chance of error during dental procedures. Cost effectiveness. Through cutting down on the manual labor as well as material, 3D printing could reduce the costs of dental treatments. Speedier turnaround time. With 3D printing, dental prosthetics and devices are fabricated within a matter of hours, drastically cutting down on treatment time. Improved patient experience. Dental devices that are customized using the 3D printing process are more pleasant and visually pleasing, which leads to better patient satisfaction. 6. Challenges and future trends. Although 3D printing has transformed the modern dental profession, however, there are still obstacles to be overcome, including regulations and the high price of the devices. As technology advances, it is possible to discover more exciting ways to use 3D printing in dental care, like dental tissue bioprinting and customized drugs delivery systems. To conclude, 3D printing is transforming the practice of dentistry, providing dentists with the equipment that they require to provide exact, personalized, effective treatments for their patients. As technology advances we could witness even more revolutionary uses of 3D printing into the near future and further revolutionizing how dentistry is delivered.